Hi there, really excited to tell you about the new cooler flow radiators from Harnitek. So these can be a direct swap out, so if you are having a heat pump put in, you're having to oversize radiators, it's a straightforward swap out for your existing radiators for one of these, and these are going to be way smaller than the much bigger oversized radiators that you would otherwise need. So these units do require electricity supply, but it's a tiny little amount of power they need, somewhere between 16 watts for the smallest unit, 33 watts for the biggest units, and that's only to run the fan and the LCD display which is on the top. As you can see, really small, slimline design. There's 4 sizes in these and they simply go up by 20 centimeters. But have a look at the data sheet. All 4 sizes will cover the entire range that you need. Internally, these, whereas a big radiator may have 10, 12 litres of water in it, these have 1 or 2 litres of water in it, hence the reaction speed, the efficiency of the unit. The internal components are copper and plastic, so you get no degradation, no sludge build-up in these units whatsoever. They're not going to need flushing out at any stage. As I've said, there's only 4 units to choose from. Because of the fan, they've got this massive variable heat output capability. You can change lots of settings on them. You can set it in a straight auto on each individual unit, and you can set each individual unit to a different temperature setting. So you can have it preset for every room or rooms you're not needing, and you can maximise the efficiency of the heating throughout the house, the rooms you are and the rooms you're not using. Very quiet in operation, so on maximum output, with the fan on maximum, you're going to get about 39 to 42 dBs coming off it. And when it's in the quiet mode, it's half of that. So very quiet. They're lightweight because we've only got that tiny bit of water in them, relatively speaking. So they only weigh, fully loaded, between 18 for the smallest and 36 kilos for the biggest one. So when you're hanging them on lightweight walls, it's just not a problem. So only requiring 35 degrees of water to flow through these units is just an astonishing change. And the heat that comes off them is amazing when you feel it blowing out of the top. Of course they can be used on fossil fuel systems and they will work highly efficiently if you've got a heating system which is using traditional heat, 65-70 degrees off a boiler or a combi or whatever. You'll just get even more heat, even quicker, and the unit will just knock off even faster because it will have achieved heating your room and hitting the temperature you require. So, last thing about these units, especially if they're being installed with a Harnitek heat pump, you can actually, in that crazy hot weather, just flip the system into reverse on your heat pump and they will blow out air conditioning. So not only is it an incredibly efficient, small, lightweight, nimble heating source, these can actually fit in offices, in a bedroom, in a house, whatever, where you have a heat pump, especially like a Harnitek, and they'll give you air conditioning. And I think moving forwards, who wouldn't want that? Price-wise, you're going to find them incredibly competitive. Really excited. This is the Harnitek Cooler Flow Radiators.